Hello everyone, hope you're all fine. I'm Prashant and today I'll talk about how to send data, also how to send input from the Postman and receiving the same output in Postman. Postman is a popular tool for testing API that allow user to send various type of HTTP requests to a server and receive responses. Here's the basic guide at how to send input from Postman and view the output in the Postman itself. Firstly, we have to open the Postman's website. So this is the Postman. I have already installed it, so no need to install it. Then I'll use the get post. So you can use the API request you want to send. You can use the get, post, put, delete, anything from. So I'm using get. So I'll show you how to get this. Firstly, I have to make this app. Firstly, I have to import the Express. Then making a app, and then important four files I have here used. I will insert, delete, select. Select means getting the output and update. And here I am using this app.use, select, delete one, select and update. Here delete is a keyword, so that's why I have used delete one. So I'll talk about only one file. So let's say I'm talking about select one. So I'm using database MySQL here, not as MongoDB. I've here imported the Express. Now I will import the MySQL and router since I'm using all the files in the same. So that's why I've used the router, and I've connected with the my database with the MySQL, you can say. And I have here defined three variables. No need to. Okay, you can delete it here. Yes. So console dot. Okay, I have here defined a variable for where r request dot query dot r. It means that it will bring. I think it will represent the roll number in the database, and this is the console.log to get in the output in the CMD itself. So if you want to output in the CMD, you can do use console.log request.query, and then I have here connect. If there is error, it will throw error. This is the select query, basic select query, and yes, this is the query, and I have here used model.export. This is the basic file. So yes, I want details of all the information where the roll number is XYZ, that I will uh, that I will get to know in the in the Postman. So if I will enter the roll number, and it will give all the details related to the roll number itself. This is the thing I want to do. That is why it is used select. This is the insert file, this is the delete file, and this is the update file. So I'll show you about this. Okay. So I'll go to the CMD node.js, and it has a port number 8089. So I'll write here in the browser local 8099, and I have here use select. I will copy that link and post it into the uh, let's say here. So I have here posted the I have here pasted the URL, and I'll send this data. It is showing something like this. Now what I'm going to do this, I will, since I want, this is the database, this is the information for table. So what I'm going to do this, I want the details of roll number 103. So this is the 103 roll number. I will enter here with the R name. So yes, R, and yes, here is the value. You can enter 103. So I want the details of roll number uh, 103, and I'll send this data. And yes, it is showing the correct result. It is showing the output of both the output. It is given the information related to the roll number 103. It is roll number 103, Ankit, and marks 89. So you can see that it is given the correct details. Roll number 103, Ankit, and 89. Let's say I want to know the details of roll number 121. We are just to change it, and it will show you the Manish. Yes, it will show giving you the name Manish with marks 99. So this is the program I have made here today. So the objective of this video is to get to know about how to send the data in from the Postman, and getting the output in the Postman itself. So there are some few tips which I'll talk about if you're using this. Always refer to the API documentation. First one is always refer to the API documentation for the correct request format and endpoint details. And use the save button to save requests for future use, as well as utilize Postman environment and variables features to manage API keys and dynamic data. So by following this step, you can efficiently send data and view responses in the Postman, making it easier to test and debug the APIs. Yes, thank you so much for your time and consideration. Hope you have a great day. Bye.